Growing your business online is an everyday battle. There's a lot of noise out there. How exactly do you get people to find you in a sea of websites? You want to beat your competition and get more customers, but you need to figure out how to rank higher in search engines and get more traffic to your website. Well, it sounds like it's time for you to do some SEO. Search engine optimization is the process of making improvements to your website to get more traffic and the right visitors to your site from unpaid search engine results. We understand that SEO can be overwhelming no matter where you are in your online journey. That's why we offer DreamHost SEO Toolkit to give businesses like yours easy, do-it-yourself tools and guidance to do SEO on your own. Install our WordPress plugin and you'll always have quick access to tips and roadmaps to keep your WordPress sites performing at their best. So how does it work? First, we scan and audit your website to identify key issues to fix. Then, we create your personalized SEO plan with easy-to-follow tasks and step-by-step instructions, so you'll have the guidance you need to check things off the list one by one. You can track your progress and know how your site is performing with easy-to-read monthly performance reports. And with guided keyword and competitor tracking, you'll always know where you stand. And if you don't use WordPress, don't worry. DreamHost SEO Toolkit works with any website, no matter what tool you used to build it. Get more traffic and grow your business with DreamHost SEO Toolkit. Start today